So that's plexiglass to show the beauty of the motors.
Yeah, and I got lights, but we had problems.
It's all right.
I had a problem with my port.
That's a 10-inch port.
10-inch big ass
Wow.
port.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Man. Awesome. I'm sorry, man. I'm just checking it all out.
Do your thing, bro.
You want to give me a little walk around of what all's in here for the video?
Say it again.
Tell me what all's in here for the video.
Oh man, I got 6 concrete audio 10s in the doors, the Neos, 2 concrete tweeters, Selenium Horn, 2 ZB5 12s built by Daily. You already know. American Bass 750.1 at 0.375. I got a Sound Digital 5K on the 10s. I got a Sound Digital 800.4 on my tweeters. But we got 8 more 10s going in the back door soon, so it'll be a total of 14. Okay. But that's pretty much what's it.
What's it tuned to?
Hey, I ain't had the car back for like a month.
Really?
So I'm just here playing.
Okay.
Me, I haven't did a sweep.
So that's plexiglass to show the beauty of the motors.
Yeah, and I got lights, but we had problems.
It's all right.
I had a problem with my port.
That's a 10-inch port.
10-inch big ass port.
Wow, awesome. Thank you, man. You got anything to place a little lows, maybe?
Yeah, hold on, I got you.
This is nice, man. What was your name?
They call me Frank White.
Frank White, all right.
Bleak ain't gon' let them niggas stop me from smiling. Bleak on the time. Look what I got now. Gotta be. Used to hold my head down, not no more. Diabetes in my body, police kicking in my door. But I'm still happy. But I'm still happy. But I'm still happy. Still happy. As a child, I walked some long miles. Rappers say bitches want their child support, can't even smoke no more. So I turned to and I think I could fuck any girl in the world. Cause Boosie booty shit like that ain't shit. The day he lost his soul, wish I could take it back. I just wanna go get one more bag with my nigga. Wanna be rich forever for my dog. Wanna take you on your first trip on a private jet. I vow to always ball until I fall. Gotta get it like Spain. Get 100 racks, I gotta make it today. My dog looked out for me when I ain't have nothing. Pass on 30, then he put up in a tag or something. When I seen him pull up cold, nigga, they was mad or something. He was counting them hundreds back at Stilo crib. I wanted to drip with my brother and Valentino for real. Remember I was talking to him on the jail phone on Christmas. Said when he get out, we gon' have to check up like arithmetic. If he try to rob a nigga, I gotta get the stick. I might slide on a nigga like a rich stick. I don't know why all these legends always gotta die young, yeah. Nigga gotta cut these snakes about the grass. Out of everybody, I suspected you last. Take all these flights, first class. Nigga, my brother told me how the days coming. Get ready to do that, the lady coming. The day he lost his soul, wish I could take it back. I just wanna go get bag with my nigga. Wanna be rich forever for my dog. Take you on your first trip, ride the jet. I gotta always fall until I fall. Yeah, 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 yeah. Long live my brother.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.